Introduction to App Navigation. Welcome back. Last session, we explored working with data. Today, we're moving into how users navigate that data inside your app. Navigation is what lets users explore your app, from home to profile to settings. It's like giving users a fun and smooth road trip through your digital world. Understanding screens and activities. Every app has multiple screens, called activities. Think of your favorite game or shopping app. One screen shows the home page, another the cart, and another the user profile. Each is an activity. They work together like puzzle pieces in your app's layout. Activity life cycle explained. Activities live through different states: create, start, resume, pause, stop, destroy. It's like a day in your life. Wake up, on create, go to school, on start, take a break, on pause, go home, on stop, sleep, on destroy. Understanding this helps your app stay efficient and responsive. What are intents? Intents are how we move between activities or screens. Think of them as messengers that tell your app what to do next. Want to open the camera or share a file? You'll use intents to get it done. They carry instructions and sometimes even data. Types of intents. There are two main types: explicit and implicit. Explicit is direct. Open this screen. Implicit is more like, I want to share something, find me an app. Android then gives you choices. It's flexible, just like asking for help from a friend or from anyone nearby. Navigation controllers simplified. As your app grows, managing movement gets tricky. Navigation controllers help you organize everything. They use something called a navigation graph, like a map, to guide users through the right screens, in the right order. It keeps the experience smooth. Data sharing between screens. Ever enter a name on one screen and see it appear on the next? That's data sharing. We pass small pieces of information using intents and extras. This keeps your app connected and smart, like a relay race where one runner hands off the baton to the next. Passing data using bundles. Bundles are like mini backpacks that carry data from one screen to another. Want to share a username, score, or settings? Just pack them into a bundle and send it with your intent. It's a neat and easy way to keep track of user info. Dialogs, alerts, confirmations, and prompts. Ever seen a pop-up asking, "Are you sure?" That's a dialogue. Dialogues help apps talk to users. You can use alerts, confirmations, or even custom designs with emojis and animations to make your dialogues fun and informative. Pop-ups. Toasts, snack bars, and custom. Toasts and snack bars are tiny pop-ups that give feedback. A toast might say, "File saved." A snack bar adds actions like undo. They're quick, helpful, and don't interrupt the flow. You can also make custom ones to fit your app's vibe. App permissions. Apps often need permission to access things: camera, location, contacts. But they must ask first. Permissions come in two types: normal, like internet, and dangerous, like your camera. Always request them clearly and respectfully. Requesting permissions in code. In Android, permissions are asked at runtime. That means right when the feature is needed, not before. So when you want to access the location, you ask then, not during app launch. Always handle user responses politely. Accessing device media. Want to play music or videos? Android gives you tools like Media Player or Exo Player. You can play from a file, the web, or app resources. Add buttons, sliders, and volume control to make your media player user-friendly. Using the camera in your app. Want to take a selfie or scan a document from your app? Use camera intents. You can launch the device camera, snap a photo, and even add filters or stickers with extra tools. Make it interactive and fun. Getting device location. Location lets your app know where the user is. Use GPS to show their current position, find nearby shops, or track delivery. Always request permission and explain why. Apps like Google Maps do this perfectly. Introduction to background tasks. Sometimes your app needs to do things even when it's not open, like syncing messages or playing music. These are background tasks. They run behind the scenes while users do other things, making your app smart and helpful. Using services for background work. To run background tasks, we use services. Some run quietly, others show notifications. Services are used for music players, fitness trackers, file downloads. You name it. They're like hidden workers keeping your app active. Do's and don'ts in app navigation. Quick tips. Do keep navigation simple. Don't make users tap 10 times to get somewhere. Use clear back buttons and consistent icons. A well-designed navigation makes your app feel polished and professional. Conclusion and tips for fun app building. Congrats! You've just learned the magic behind app navigation. Remember to think like a user, experiment often, and have fun with design. Add animations, sounds, or even jokes. Apps should be useful, but also enjoyable. Thanks for joining. Take a moment to reflect. How would you design a navigation path for your own app? Let's discuss or build one together next session.